Look at that! Wow! What's up, guys? It's Emmanuel. Today we have a new tool. This one is to clean the interior, but let's see how it works and how good it is. Let's do it. Okay guys, the last video I did about the interior, I had some problems with some little things that got stuck. I don't know if you can see them. Some little things that are very hard to remove, like this one. I don't know if you can see it. They are stuck to the carpet. And this one is for that, okay? To remove, to lift them, and then you can vacuum them, okay? Vacuum those pieces. So first I'm gonna use this one on the edges, on the areas that are hard to use the vacuum, and then I'm gonna use the vacuum. This one you can use it with the drill right here. You can attach this to the drill and use it anywhere. Okay, so let's see how good it is, and also let's see if this one works. This here on the light. Wow, yeah, you can see it. Yes. Oh wow, this works great. Wow, man, love it. It's amazing. And then after you use this one, just vacuum the leftovers. Oh, it's great. Let's use it in the interior. Okay, I always have a lot of dirt stuck here. So let's test this thing. Let's do it. Let's do it. Whoa! This one removes everything. Ooh, wow! Look at that! Wow! So now after I did this, I'm gonna clean it with the vacuum. So let's see if it works. Okay, this works amazing. You can see here, it looks brand new. Now let's see the interior. Whoa. Look at that. Look at the corners. Amazing. Wow. Looks brand new. Wow, man, this is amazing. I love it. Look that, brand new. And in here. Woo. Amazing. So now let's do the rear seat. Let's see how it works there. Wow, this is great. This thing will lift the things that are stuck in the carpet that the vacuum can lift up. Okay, with this one it will lift everything that is inside on the carpet, and then you use the vacuum and voila, it's done. It's amazing. I love it. Okay, here you can see how dirty it is, the interior. These are the things I'm talking about. You can see it. These are stuck on the carpet and they're hard to remove. Same thing over there on here. They're like a leaf for pine leaf or something like that, but they are stuck. You cannot get it off with the vacuum cleaner. Okay, so now we're gonna use this. Let's see how good it is. All right. Now the vacuum. Guys, this is amazing. I love it. It looks like brand new carpet. You can see it right there. Wow. Yeah, so remember, you still have some little things. You can use it as many times you want. For me, I think that's enough. It looks great, looks amazing. I love it. Cool. Okay guys, that's the carpet cleaning tool. It's great, I love it, it's amazing. The link is gonna be on the description of the video, but let me know what you guys think. Put in the comments. If you like the video, please like the video, subscribe for more videos like this one, and see you on the next video.
So tough, but minds keep walking. Just too sharp with the prize. White girls let it tell me I'm awesome. Yeah, hot like fire on the pine. If you wanna touch me, please use caution. Cold like 0 degrees. I'm out the cage, gotta let out the beast. Revolutionary, gotta let out the streets. Locked in a cage, I'ma let out the. Wake up, get out the sheets. We came for one man, forget my peace. You take the west, I take on the east. I'ma put him in the cage, never let out the. Yeah, I hear him chatting the noise. Move too quick, can't stop for the talking. I hear him chat with the boys. Man so tough, but mans keep walking. Yeah, just too sharp with the prize. White girls, let it tell me I'm awesome. Yeah, hot like fire on the pan. If you wanna touch me, please use caution. Beg, please get on your knees. Came from the jungle.